I'm here in the middle of a dark forest here at around 11 o'clock in the morning. Abandon all hope, ye who enter. There's no hope for you here. Welcome to the first circle, Limbo. Limbo is like guys, a place for virtuous pagans who are denied forever. Here we can see Julius Caesar. Oh, where's Julius Caesar? This Julius Caesar, Plato, Socrates, Aristotle, and of course our guide Virgil. As we descended down the first into the second, we arrived at Circle 2, Lost. Guys, you see that thing over there? That's them. Here we can see Actually, guys, I misspawned to Cleopatra's. So, Cleopatra's Lane and Cleopatra, of course, the last pharaoh. Third circle, the gluttonous. Here we can see Cerberus. Even though guys he's using a three-headed dog, this is Minecraft. We can do it, of course. Fourth circle, the greedy. Home to Norman Gusbusi, or known as Francis Leo Marcos.
Guys, that's basically
known
me.
for seeking his own wealth, and he is so obsessed with wealth. Fifth circle,
Ay,
here we can see Filippo Argenti
ang init yun ah.
and any wrathful people when they were
Ay, may bago na. Ay, naku.
Sixth circle, wait.
Six circle, ano ka ba?
Sixth circle, heresy.
Ano six circle? Ano
Heresy
kakasabi mo dyan?
is the sixth
Kuya,
circle.
huy. Sige, titikol ko dito. Ano six?
This is
Ano?
home to
Ano
heretics.
six? Heresy. Heresy
Example,
nga.
Martin Luther.
Unat papaparakot. Naplak mo ko at titigil.
Yeah, I don't know.
Ko tita.
Circle 7,
Kung natawa ka dyan.
This is home to Bato de la Rosa.
O sige. O sino
Oh, I see a baby.
tumutawa siya yung taya.
That's Rodrigo.
O sino hindi mo o sino hindi tumutawa siya yung
That's
taya.
Waco Dutertes. And this is the
Sabi
middle
ko
finger
tumutawa.
for the
Titigil ko
suicides like
dito.
Hitler. Now, we descend into the 8th
Titigil
circle.
ko dito. Huwag mo
Rome.
nga. Kulit lang.
Here we can see Jason Harry Roque, known for spreading fake news or known as false.
Actually guys, it's also home to the Double Death Squad.
As we now descend from
Or known as
the 8th
TDS.
to the 9th, it's so severe. Welcome to the 9th circle. We can see Jesus
Also,
Estrada,
Sonny Angara because of the
known for
trimester.
I think he's known as the 13 Judas in the Senate.
Labing tatlong Judas sa Senado. 13 Judas in the Senate.
Okay, we're finally here.
That's the TNT.
That's a TNT, guys, so we can blow up the sky. Wait, that's actually the opposite? So, let's just dig a hole to the surface. I am now in the middle of nowhere. Actually, guys, Inferno is just right there. And now we're in the middle of nowhere.
Yes guys, that's correct.
Purgatory. Oh, that's a mountain ahead. See you later.
I'm gonna explain it for a few seconds, guys. Because nobody has did that. Dante's Inferno in Minecraft. Even though it's not really the most accurate, it's just an example. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.